Welcome to the English Podcast channel. Hello again. Welcome back. I'm really glad you are still here with me. Step by step, you are improving your English, even if you don't feel it every day. Today, we are going to talk about the future, your plans, your dreams, and we will listen to a deeper story. Just listen slowly and enjoy. Gentle check-in. Before we begin, think about tomorrow. What will you do tomorrow? Try to say, tomorrow I will. For example, tomorrow I will go to work. Tomorrow I will study English. Good. Very simple. Topic 19. Talking about the future. Now, let's talk about the future. In English, we often use will or going to. Simple future. Will. I will study later. I will call my friend. I will rest tonight. Going to. I am going to watch a movie. I am going to eat dinner soon. My example. Tonight, I think I will relax. I am going to listen to music and maybe drink something warm. Nothing special, just a calm evening. Practice. Now you try. Tonight, I will blank. I am going to blank. Say it slowly. Topic 20. Plans and goals. Let's talk about plans. Plans can be small or big. Small plans. I will clean my room. I will wake up early. Bigger plans. I want to improve my English. I want to travel someday. Personal opinion. For me, I think small plans are very important. Sometimes we think only about big dreams, but small steps every day are what really help us grow. Practice. Try. I want to blank. Example. I want to learn more English. Now you try. Topic 21. Talking about the future with feeling. Now let's make longer sentences. Example. I want to improve my English because I want to speak more confidently. That is a natural sentence. Practice. Try. I want to blank because blank. Take your time. Topic 22. Deeper story. Listening practice. Now, let's listen to a deeper story. Just relax. This one is a little more emotional. Story. Thinking about the future. One night, I couldn't sleep. My mind was full of thoughts. I was thinking about the future, about my plans, about my life. I asked myself many questions. What do I really want? Am I going in the right direction? At first, I felt a little worried because I didn't have clear answers. Everything felt uncertain. But then, I stopped thinking for a moment. I took a deep breath and I looked around my room. Everything went quiet, and I realized something simple. I don't need to have all the answers right now. It's okay to move slowly. It's okay to learn step by step. The future is not something I need to control completely. It is something I will grow into, little by little. After that, I felt calmer. Not perfect, but calmer. And slowly, I fell asleep. Reflection. What do you think about this story? Have you ever felt like that? Thinking too much about the future? Feeling a little unsure? That is very normal. Vocabulary. Let's learn some words. Future, time after now. Plan, something you want to do. Worry, to feel nervous or afraid. Direction, the way you are going. Calm, peaceful, not stressed. Practice, try. I feel worried when blank. I feel calm when blank. Example, I feel calm when I listen to music. Now you try. Topic 23. Natural conversation about the future. Let's practice a conversation. Dialogue. What are you going to do this weekend? I think I will stay at home and what? That sounds nice. Yeah, I just want to relax. Practice. Now answer. What are you going to do this weekend? Try to say 2 to 3 sentences. Slow moment. Let's slow down again. You don't need to know everything. You don't need be perfect. You are learning, and that is enough. All right, we will stop here for today. You are doing something very meaningful. Listening, practicing, staying patient. That is how you improve natural. Then the next part, longer real-life conversations, talking about opinions and choices. Your emotional and corrupt. Thank you for staying with me. Take care, relax, and you're again very soon. Hello again. Welcome back. It's really nice to have you here again. By now, maybe this feels more natural, like we are just talking together. Today, we will talk about opinions, choices, real-life conversations, and a deeper emotional story. Just listen slowly. No pressure. Gentle check-in. Before we begin, let me ask you something simple. What are you thinking about today? Maybe work, maybe your future, or maybe nothing special. Try to say, today I am thinking about blank. Take your time. Topic 24. Giving your opinion in English. It is very common to share your opinion. Useful expressions. I think. I believe. In my opinion. For me. Example. I think rest is very important because we need time to relax. That is simple, clear, and natural. Practice. Try. I think blank is important because you can use family health time, learning. Say it slowly. Topic 25. Making choices. Now let's talk about choices. Every day we make many small choices. Simple examples. I will eat at home or go out. I will study now or later. My thought. Sometimes small choices are difficult. For example, I want to rest, but I also want to be productive. So I think, should I relax or should I work? Do you feel the same? Practice. Try. I want to, but I also want to. Example. I want to sleep, but I also want to watch a movie. Now you try. Topic 26. Real life conversation. Making plans. Let's listen to a natural conversation. Dialogue. Do you want to go out today? I'm not sure. I feel a little tired. Yeah, me too. Maybe we can stay in and relax. That sounds better. Understanding. This is very natural. People often change plans based on how they feel. Practice. Answer this. Do you want to go out today? Try to answer in a natural way. Topic 27. Emotional story. Now, let's listen to a deeper story. Just relax and listen. Story. A quiet decision. One evening, I was sitting alone. The room was quiet, and I had many thoughts in my mind. I was thinking about my life, my choices, and my future. Sometimes I feel like I should do more, work more, learn more, improve faster. But at the same time, I feel tired. I feel like I need rest, like I need space to breathe. That evening, I asked myself a simple question. What do I need right now? Not tomorrow, not next week, just right now. And the answer was simple. I need to rest. So I made a small decision. I turned off my phone. I stopped thinking about work, and I just sat quietly. At first, it felt strange, like I was doing nothing, but slowly I started to feel calm. My thoughts became quieter, and I realized something important. Rest is not a waste of time. Rest is part of growing. That night, I didn't do anything big, but a good choice, and that was enough. Reflection. What do you think about this story? Do you sometimes feel like you need to do more, but all very tired? That fission choice. A decision. Space. Time or room to relax. Breathe. Take air in and about. Decision. Something you choose. Grow. Improve slowly. Practice. Try. I made a decision to. Example. I made a decision to rest. Now you try. Topic 28. Talking about preferences. Now let's talk about preferences. Useful sentences. I prefer staying at home. I like quiet places. I don't really like busy places. Example. I prefer quiet time because it pocs relax. Practice. Try. I prefer blank because blank. Take your time. Slow moment. Let's slow with your day in a calm way. And that is very powerful. Even you is your theer. We will hear for your today. You are doing something the very your English step the topped in deeper. The conveeper, more longer, more emotional story. I with you as